Assalamu alaikum, dear students.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Thank you so much. I am fine, and you are most welcome in today's online class. Our topic is business entrepreneurship, chapter 4, part 1, business based on ownership. This is a large chapter of this book. That means this is a very large chapter and have to take maybe 7 classes. Have to take 7 classes to finish this chapter. So be careful. But your CT2 exam is going to be started on 13 instant, and have to prepare yourself for this exam. And exam will be held on chapter 2 and 3. Before starting your exam, I will try to revision. I will try to revise these 2 chapters in the next class. But to continue our syllabus, have to start chapter 4 today. And chapter 4, the name of the chapter 4 is business based on ownership. Contents of discussion, and you will learn from this chapter concept of business, types of business on the basis of ownership. That means malikana ভিত্তিতে ব্যবসার প্রকারভেদ, and there are 5 types of business, and they are sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock, cooperative, and state enterprise. These 5 business categories are discussed in this chapter. We will learn these types of business step by step. Okay, and today we will learn the first category of business types. That means sole proprietorship business, sole proprietorship business. And we will learn on sole proprietorship, concept of sole proprietorship business, characteristics of sole proprietorship business, and suitable areas for sole proprietorship business. Okay, then you will learn about the partnership business. Then next class you will learn also you will learn on chapter 4 partnership business in part 3, and then part 4 we will try to learn joint stock business. Then part 5 we will also learn cooperative business. Then part 6, process of formation of cooperative society. And last part of this chapter, part 7, concept of state enterprise and characteristics of state enterprise. Okay, understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Mushfiq Al Abdullah, you have to rename your Zoom ID name. First, set your role. First, all the students have to set role first. Mushfiq, Tahsin, Mustafa, what this? Jubair, why have you set your SM role with M? Cut your M.
Okay, sir.
Mushfiq Al Abdullah, can you hear me? Okay. Listen. Today's first question is concept of business. You know, we have discussed it in the first chapter about the business concept. A business is an organization or entity that sells goods or services for a profit. Any legitimate economic activity with risk for the purpose of making a profit is called business. That means আইনগত any legitimate economic activity, যে কোনো আইনগত অর্থনৈতিক কর্মকাণ্ড with risk, ঝুঁকি সহকারে for the purpose of making profit, মুনাফা অর্জনের উদ্দেশ্যে is called business, ব্যবসা বলা হয়. That means there are 4 basic characteristics of a business must have four characteristics in a business. That means any economic activities. That means profit is the main purpose of a business, and have to be economic activities, have to gain the profit with economic activities, have risk and legitimate. Okay, this is called business, and there are many types of business, and these types of business are formed on different types of characteristics, purpose, limitations, services, ownership, mentality, etc. That means various demands, aspects of consumers, ownership and mentality of the businessman, size and features are the reason for the formation of different types of business. Okay, these different types of business are sole proprietorship business, partnership business, joint stock business, cooperative society, state enterprise. If you see the business of Bangladesh, you will find these 5 types of business. That means sole proprietorship business, you will see nearby your house, partnership business nearby in your of your house, joint stock company, you will see the urban areas like and divisional areas, cooperative society, you can see this in your village nearby your house, and state enterprise in the urban areas. Okay, about these 5 types of business we will learn step by step. Let's start the discuss on sole proprietorship business. Have you understand, dear students? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What is sole proprietorship business? Sole proprietorship business, that means ek malikana ব্যবসায় একজন মালিক. Sole proprietorship business is the business formed, operated and controlled by a single person. অর্থাৎ একজন ব্যক্তির মাধ্যমে একটি ব্যবসায় প্রতিষ্ঠা, business formed, operated পরিচালনা and controlled অর্থাৎ এবং নিয়ন্ত্রিত ব্যবসায়কে বলা হয় sole proprietorship business. তোমার বাসার আশেপাশে তুমি দেখবে যে তোমার বাসার আশেপাশে অনেক ছোট ছোট দোকান আছে, যেই দোকানে একজন মালিক বসে, মালিক তার ছেলেকে নিয়ে বসেছে, অথবা মালিক তার একজন কর্মচারীকে নিয়ে বসেছে, মালিক তার স্ত্রীকে নিয়ে বসেছে ওখানে, মালিক যখন থাকে না তার স্ত্রী তখন সেটা অপারেট করে, হ্যাঁ, অথবা তার সন্তান অপারেট করে। These businesses are sole proprietorship business. Okay, business is the word in the world started at first on sole ownership. This is the ancient business. This is the ancient business. Why? Business in this world started at first on sole proprietorship business. For this reason, this is called the most ancient business firm. এটাই পৃথিবীর সর্বপ্রথম ব্যবসা প্রতিষ্ঠান। এ কারণে এই ব্যবসাগুলোকে বলা হয় প্রাচীন ব্যবসা সংগঠন, সবচেয়ে প্রাচীন সংগঠন। ওকে, considering the present scenario, we can say that when a single person out of his own responsibility arranges capital and forms and run business with the objective to make profit and singly shoulders the profit or loss of the company is called a sole proprietorship business. That means যখন একজন ব্যক্তির মাধ্যমে একটি ব্যবসা প্রতিষ্ঠান প্রতিষ্ঠা হয়, পরিচালনা করে, নিয়ন্ত্রণ করে, এখানকার সমস্ত মূলধন সরবরাহ করে, এখান থেকে যত ঝুঁকি রয়েছে একাই বেয়ার করে, রিস্ক বেয়ার করে, আর যত প্রফিট আছে একাই এনজয় করে, তাহলে এই ব্যবসাগুলোকে বলা হবে, আমরা বলবো যে এক মালিকানা ব্যবসায়, দ্যাট মিন্স সোল প্রোপ্রাইটরশিপ বিজনেস। ওকে, reading, knowing this definition of sole proprietorship business, some characteristics we have found some characteristics from this definition. What are the characteristics or features? Okay, single owner, that means sole proprietorship business has been formed, is formed by a single person, and that single person is the owner of this business. That means single owner is a first characteristic or feature of this business. Easy formation. Sole proprietorship business is very much easy to format this business. Okay, because of to formation this business, you don't have to follow any legal aspect, legal side. That means it has no legal legality. মানে কি বলেছে, এটার কোনো আইন নেই, law নেই. There is no law for this business, special law for this business. But if you want to format this business in Pৌরসভা, city corporation, you have to take the Pৌরসভা trade license. In cities and towns, the entrepreneur has to collect trade license before starting this business. Otherwise, you don't have to face any problem.
Sir, for required trade license.
Yes.
For any shop, there is required trade license.
If you want to establish a business in cities and towns, if you want to establish your business in cities and towns, sole proprietorship business or partnership business, any types of business, you have to collect trade license from Pৌরসভা, city mayor or city mayor. Okay, any types of business, sole proprietorship business, partnership business. If you want to format this in towns and cities, you have to collect trade license from পৌর মেয়র বলা হয় এটাকে, হ্যাঁ, পৌর মেয়র আবার সিটি কর্পোরেশনের মেয়র, এদের কাছ থেকে তোমাকে কি করতে হবে, ট্রেড লাইসেন্স সংগ্রহ করতে হবে। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? Have you got your answer? Who asked me?
Sir, I asked.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Less capital. Sole proprietorship business is a small in size, and if you want to establish this business, you don't have to collect a lot of money. If you have less money, that means like if you can establish this type of business, if you have 1,000 taka, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, there are various types of business that you can establish. Okay, so less capital is the sort of business can be formed with less capital. This is what I can say. This is a main feature of this business. The owner himself supplies this capital, because as there is a single owner and one owner has not a lot of money. For that, as the full money has to collect by himself or herself. For that, sole proprietorship business need less capital. Then small in size, as the owner is single owner and formation is easy formation, and there is no need to collect lot of money, and there is not enough money. For that, one sole proprietorship business is small in size. Okay, small in size মানে হচ্ছে যে আকারে একেবারেই ছোট হয়ে থাকে। Why? Because of less capital and ownership of single person, the size of the business is small. যেহেতু মালিক একজন এবং এক মালিকের অর্থ একেবারে সামান্য, একজন মালিক খুব বেশি মানে one single owner is not able to collect a lot of money. For that, এই ব্যবসায়ের অর্থ অনেক বেশি নেই এবং সাইজ হচ্ছে স্মল ইন সাইজ। দেন point 5, owner has to bear all the risk as there is the um, as the owner of this sole proprietorship business is a single person. For that, all the risk owner has to bear all the risk. Owner has to bear all the risk. Okay, risk মানে এখানে ঝুঁকি। Risk means the difference between expectation and the real profit. Expectation profit and the real profit. Okay, অর্থাৎ হচ্ছে প্রত্যাশিত মুনাফা এবং হচ্ছে প্রাপ্ত মুনাফা। প্রত্যাশিত মুনাফা এবং প্রাপ্ত মুনাফা এই দুটার পার্থক্য হচ্ছে রিস্ক। এই রিস্কটা পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ যে কোনো একটা হতে পারে। এই রিস্কটা হচ্ছে মালিককে একাই বহন করতে হয়। আন্ডারস্টুড?
Yes, sir.
Dear students have to respond in the class. Okay, next. Point 6. The owner enjoys the whole share of profit as the no risk, no gain. As the single owner has to bear all risk and he has to write the owner has to write to enjoy the whole share of profit. Whole share of profit. That means এই ব্যবসা অপারেট করে যে পরিমাণ প্রফিট অর্জন করে সেই প্রফিটটা এনজয় করার একমাত্র অধিকার রয়েছে ওনারের, অর্থাৎ ওই এক মালিকানা ব্যবসার মালিকের। Okay, then sole proprietorship business does not have a legal entity. অর্থাৎ এই এক মালিকানা ব্যবসার আলাদা করে কোনো আইন নেই। There is no legal entity or law for this business or sole proprietorship business. For this, we can say these types of business is very much easy to formate in any place, anytime. Owner and the business are the same. Owner and the business are the same. যেহেতু আইনগত কোনো সত্তা নেই, তাই মালিক এবং ব্যবসার একই রকম সত্তা, অর্থাৎ business is introduced by the owner's name. অর্থাৎ introduced to the people. These types of business, that means sole proprietorship business, is introduced to the people by the name of the owner. অর্থাৎ মালিকের নামের পরিচয়ে পরিচিত হয়। যেমন if your mother tell you that go to the Rohim's shop and bring a bottle of water, right? এরকম করে যদি বলে তাহলে হচ্ছে যে ওই ব্যবসাটা রহিমের নামে পরিচিত, ওই রহিমই হচ্ছে ওই ব্যবসার মালিক। Then point 8, the owner bears all the responsibilities in this business. Already we have discussed it in point 5. Owners has to bear all risk. That means the owner bears all the responsibilities in the business. Responsibilities means দায়, বোঝাচ্ছে দায় দায়িত্ব যত রয়েছে এটার জন্য দায়বদ্ধ হবে এই ব্যবসায়। এই ব্যবসার জন্য যদি অপর কোনো ব্যক্তি হার্ম হয়, অপর কোনো অথবা এই প্রতিষ্ঠান ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হয়, মানে all the responsibility will keeps on the owner. Okay, the stability number point 9, the stability of this business depends on the willingness of the owner. Stability means স্থায়িত্ব। Stability means স্থায়িত্ব। এটি নির্ভর করে মালিকের ইচ্ছার উপর, willingness of the owner, মালিকের ইচ্ছার উপর, because as this business has no legal entity and the owner and the business are the same and there is no law of this special law for the business, and a person can establish this business anytime, anywhere, and he can also dismiss or dissolution of this business anytime. For this, we can say the stability of this business depends on the willingness of the owner. অর্থাৎ মালিকের ইচ্ছার উপরে এই ব্যবসাটি প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়। যেহেতু এই ব্যবসাটার আলাদা কোনো আইন নেই এবং মালিক এবং ব্যবসার পরিচয় পরিচিত একই রকম, যে কোনো সময় একজন ব্যক্তি এই ব্যবসাটি প্রতিষ্ঠা করতে পারে এবং যে কোনো সময় এই ব্যবসাটি একজন মালিক এই ব্যবসা থেকে চলে যেতে পারে অথবা এই ব্যবসায় বিলোপসাধন ঘটাতে পারে, ইতি টানতে পারে। ওকে, হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস? এনি কোয়েশ্চেন?
No, sir.
Okay, if you have no question, I can proceed the next point. Just a minute, I want to join this class from my another device to take your present. Okay, then suitable areas for sole proprietorship business. If you see by your side or near your near your house established business, you will see most of the business are established by a single person. That means sole proprietorship business, এক মালিকানা ব্যবসা রয়েছে যার মালিক একজন। ওকে, যার মালিক একজন। Why? You can see that most of the businesses are single businesses are established by a single person. That means sole proprietorship business, because these types of business are suitable for sole proprietorship business. Why? Because these types of business, if you want to establish a sole proprietorship business, you need a less capital, and for this less capital, any person can establish sole proprietorship business. For this, where there is less capital, sole proprietorship business is suitable there, okay, suitable in there. That means where there is less capital, if you have less capital, sole proprietorship business is suitable for you. Okay, যদি তোমার কাছে অল্প মূলধন হয় তাহলে তোমার জন্য এক মালিকানা ব্যবসা উপযোগী। আমি কি বুঝাতে পেরেছি? Have to response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is the captain of this class? Captain's name?
Sir, I am the captain.
Mahdi, 18565. Mahdi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you take? Okay, I will take a screenshot of my class.
Sir,
You don't have to
I
take.
have taken the attendance and I will send it to Asad, sir.
Okay, you don't have to send. You don't have to send. I will take.
Sir, it's my regular job, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Send the
Thank you.
attendance.
That means so that how many students were present in your attendance?
Sir, 19 students.
19. Okay, thank you.
Oh, sorry, sir, 18 students, and including you, this is 19.
19
18
students.
students.
Okay, thank you. That means so I can leave from this class from my another device. Okay, this is your responsibility to take the screenshot of your students present. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
Mushfiq Al Abdullah have not set his name starting the role. Okay, he will be the sufferer. Okay, any question from today's topic? Any question? Have you understood?
No, sir. I haven't.
Okay, then why the sole proprietorship business is suitable these areas? There are some business which do not require much capital. There are some business, you can see these types of business in the street. That means not যে ভেরিয়েবল চলমান, এটাকে বলা হয় কি কি ওই যে রাস্তাঘাটে যে ভ্যান গাড়িতে বিক্রি করে, বাদাম বিক্রি করে, তারপর হচ্ছে যে রাস্তাঘাটে কাঁচামাল বিক্রি করে, এগুলোর জন্য খুব বেশি অর্থের প্রয়োজন হয় না। এইগুলো ব্যবসার জন্য এক মালিকানা ব্যবসা উপযোগী। For that we can say there are some business which do not require some much capital. Where there is no need much capital, those types of business are suitable for sole proprietorship business. Okay, then point 3, the business having low risk is suitable for sole proprietorship business. যে ব্যবসাগুলোতে অল্প রিস্ক রয়েছে সেই ব্যবসাগুলো হচ্ছে এক মালিকানা ব্যবসার জন্য উপযোগী। Okay, যেগুলোতে অল্প রিস্ক রয়েছে সেই ব্যবসাগুলো হচ্ছে আমাদের এক মালিকানা ব্যবসার জন্য উপযোগী। লো ইনকাম পিপল want to avoid risk, thus they like this sort of business such as rice shop, pharmacy. Rice shop মানে হচ্ছে যে এগুলো পচনশীল দ্রব্য নয়। This rice is not perishable goods. Pharmacy is not perishable goods. Okay. For this reason, these types of business has low risk, and the people who wants to take low risk, do not want to high risk. Sole proprietorship business is suitable for those people, বা these people. অর্থাৎ যে সকল লোক অল্প রিস্ক নিতে চায়, বেশি রিস্ক নিতে চায় না, যেই ব্যবসাগুলোতে খুব বেশি রিস্ক নেই, ওই ব্যবসাগুলো এবং ওই ব্যক্তিদের জন্য সুইটেবল মানে সোল প্রপার্টিশিপ বিজনেস ইজ সুইটেবল ফর দোজ পিপল। ওকে, perishable goods means, do you know what's the meaning of perishable? Anybody? Perishable means পচনশীল। Fahim, can you hear me? Are you in class? Fahim, Mr. Fahim. Okay, class captain, note down his name. He is not in class.
Okay, sir.
Fahim.
Okay, sir.
12881. Maybe he is not in class, and you have to send this name to your class teacher. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then Tahmid Hassan, are you in class? Can you hear me? Tahmid Hassan. Tahmid. Okay. Hasib.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mushfiq Al Abdullah. Okay, maybe he is not in class. Write down his name. That
Yes,
means
sir.
roll number.
Yes, sir. 18553.
And he will tell your class teacher that these students didn't responded to
Yes, sir.
subject teacher. Okay.
Sir, I am present. Jubair.
Jubair? Who is Jubair?
I am present.
Sir, 18554.
Jubair. Okay. Okay. You have to send these two roles to your class teacher. Okay. Perishable goods means
Okay, sir.
পচনশীল দ্রব্য. Perishable goods. These types of goods, that means perishable goods, vegetables, fruits, fish, meats. This perishable goods business is suitable for sole proprietorship business. Profession-based business like doctors, architecture, and lawyers. And direct services are suitable for sole proprietorship business. অর্থাৎ এই যে পেশাগত যে কত কিছু ব্যবসা রয়েছে, যেমন ডক্টরস, অর্থাৎ সরকারি হাসপাতালে ডাক্তারদেরকে বলি নাই, যে সকল ডাক্তার কয়েকজন ডাক্তার মিলে যে ক্লিনিক দেয়, একটা হসপিটাল দেয়, যেখানে বেশি বেশি ফি দিয়ে হচ্ছে রোগীদেরকে সেবা দেওয়া হয়, এই পুরোটাই হচ্ছে একটা বিজনেস। তারপরে আর্কিটেক্ট ফার্মের কথা বলা হয়েছে, লয়ার যারা রয়েছে তারা বিজনেস অ্যাটর্নি ফার্ম রয়েছে, এগুলো হচ্ছে এক মালিকানা ব্যবসায়। এবং ডাইরেক্ট সার্ভিস লাইক সেলুন বলতে পারো, and other types of business. These are the suitable for sole proprietorship business. Okay. Another sole proprietorship business is suitable for goods and services involved with individual efficiency, art, and fame, such as painting, photography, যেগুলো অনেক সুনাম খ্যাতি ইত্যাদির সাথে জড়িত, যেমন পেইন্টিং এর জন্য, ফটোগ্রাফি, জুয়েলারি, ফার্নিচার, সুইট শপ. These types of business are suitable for sole proprietorship business. Another way you can think that these types of business will not be reached or succeeded under the much more bigger businesses like joint stock company, then cooperative society, state enterprise. Like if we establish these types of business by a single person, these types of business will be reached, will be succeeded. Okay. For this reason, here is written suitable areas for sole proprietorship business. কোন ক্ষেত্রে এক মালিকানা ব্যবসা উপযোগী? আমি যদি তোমাদেরকে একটু বাংলায় বলি যে সকল ব্যবসায় অর্থ কম লাগে, যে সকল ব্যবসায় অর্থ কম লাগে, আর ইউ হিয়ারিং মি? হাসিব,
Yes, sir, we are.
হাসিব
Yes, sir.
ওকে। যে সকল ব্যবসায় অর্থ কম লাগে, যে সকল ব্যবসায় ঝুঁকি কম, যে সকল ব্যবসায় হচ্ছে কাঁচামাল রয়েছে, কাঁচামাল ওই যে পচনশীল দ্রব্য, যে সকল ব্যবসায় ঝুঁকি কম, সহজেই নষ্ট হয় না, অর্থ কম, মালিকের একক স্বাধীনতা, মালিক খুব বেশি স্বাধীনতা পছন্দ করে, হ্যাঁ, তারপর হচ্ছে যে যখন তখন ব্যবসা বন্ধ করে খোলা রাখা বন্ধ রাখার পক্ষে, সেই সকল ব্যবসাগুলো হচ্ছে যে এক মালিকের ব্যবসা উপযোগী। ওকে, এনি কোয়েশ্চেন?
No, sir.
Okay, just review of this class. First, we have discussed about concept of business, types of business. There are 5 types of business: sole proprietorship business, partnership business, joint stock business, cooperative society, state enterprise. Then we have learned the first classification of the business on the basis of ownership is sole proprietorship business, and defined already. The sole proprietorship business is the business formed, operated and controlled by a person, single person, একজন ব্যক্তির মাধ্যমে প্রতিষ্ঠিত, পরিচালিত, নিয়ন্ত্রিত ব্যবসা এক মালিকানা ব্যবসায়। Then the characteristics or features of sole proprietorship business. What are the characteristics? In the business owner is single person, easy formation. That means one man can establish this business anytime, anywhere. Less capital. To establish this business need less capital. Small as this business is not doesn't need much capital, and established by a single owner. For this reason, the business is small in size. Owner has to bear all the risk and the owner enjoys the whole share of profit. সব প্রফিট একাই ভোগ করতে পারে। The sole proprietorship business does not have any legal entity. আইনগত কোনো স্পেশাল কোনো আইন নেই। The owner bears all the responsibilities in the business. The stability of this business depends on the willingness of the owner. অর্থাৎ এই ব্যবসার স্থায়িত্ব কতক্ষণ চলবে, কতক্ষণ এক মালিকানা ব্যবসা করবে, মালিক একাই ইচ্ছা ডিপেন্ড করে। এ কারণে তোমরা বাসার আশেপাশে দেখবে এক মালিকানা ব্যবসায় এই প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়েছে, আবার পরে নেই। আর এইগুলোর ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের এই এক মালিকানা ব্যবসায় suitable. And your homework is have to show homework in the next class. What is business? Types of business based on ownership. What is sole proprietorship business? Suitable areas of sole proprietorship business. These questions are your homework. Okay. Any question?